Yeah, what's good? It's Boy Dude Reviews, and I just thought maybe I should just pop the Blu-ray DVD into the DVD player and just have a quick look-see peeky at the title menu and see if there's any more goodies. Let's use this disc as an example. Right, take the final season disc, put it into the Blu-ray player. There you go. Okay, right. Let's hit that play button. Right, let's have a look. Okay, some Japanese text so far. Pony Cannon. Well, that's cool. Oh, that's the Kodansha logo. Hope I don't get claimed. Oh, is that Studio MAPPA'S logo? That's cool. MAPPA. Right, yeah, that's episode 1, I know that, but I want to go to the title menu. So this is the disc menu for the final season. It has disc 1, got the main guys on the poster, that's cool. At least they used the official poster with Aaron, that's really cool. Doesn't seem to be any like behind the scenes goodies actually. You'd think for $200 you'd get some like behind the scenes. What does AB mean? Let me click that and have a quick look-see peek. Yeah, so there's no real like behind the scenes documentaries or anything like that on disc 1. Oh well. So it just has the episodes for disc number 1. Okay. And just the chapter list. No documentaries, no nothing like that. Okay. Let's try disc 2. Right, so we've got Attack on Titan Final Season disc number 2 in the Blu-ray pack. Let's open it up. Pop it in the Blu-ray player. There we go. And see if there's any magic. So as you can see, it's more or less the same. We've got the Japanese text in the background. I'm guessing it's like, warning, this is a Blu-ray. Do not copyright it. Do not upload it online. You will be prosecuted. Blah, blah, blah. Once again, we've got the Pony Cannon logo. Okay. That's cool. The Kodansha logo. MAPPA'S pretty cool motion graphic logo. That's nice. Okay, it's just cutting straight to the episode. Let me go to the disc menu. Cross my fingers. Let's hope there's gonna be some sort of behind the scene. I see special features. Look, look. Look at that. Special features. Let's click that. Oh shoot, there's some special features. Let's have a look. Let's click the first one. Right. Okay, so there are some special features in this actually. That's actually pretty cool. Whoa. Oh snap. Ah, it's like a sort of documentary. Make sure it's not looking at the TV too much. Alright, I think I will upload this to YouTube and probably do like a full review of it. Damn. Oh snap. Look at that. Right, I'm turning the volume down before I get claimed. Okay, so it's just showing the Declaration of War episode. Oh snap, look at all that. Storyboard of Eren. Oh, we've got Eren in 3D Maya. Whoa, that is so cool. Right, I'm doing a behind the scenes documentary for that. What I meant, I'm gonna do like a review of that. That looked pretty sick. Oh snap, they even show like the drawing of that. Do you guys want to see more of this? Will there be an interview with the head Zach at MAPPA? Well, you gotta be subscribed to this channel to find that out. Like this video, subscribe for more anime and manga reactions and reviews. Be subscribed to see my full breakdown on the behind the scenes documentaries on disc 2. Are there going to be more stuff? What was with the 3D rendering of Reiner and Eren in that? That looked kind of crazy. But yeah, thank you for watching. And as always, Bodhi the Review signing out.